Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Nightlife in Kingston is generally active, but Tuesday nights have gotten even more lively with the introduction of a night bazaar, leading to the convergence of customers, art lovers, small business and tourists beyond regular business hours. In this week's edition of the Business Review, TVJ's Andrew Laidley explores a business recreational idea brought to Jamaica from Asia.
It's estimated that the largest commerce in Jamaica happens in the Coronation Market. The biggest day of business for that market is on a Saturday. But on this episode of the Business Review, we're talking about another event rivaling that traditional concept. It's called Night Market.
We've visited a number of countries in Asia where night markets are the norm. And we went to the night market in places like Bangkok, Vietnam and Cambodia. And I think that what impressed us was that they started at like 6 o'clock, set up everything, and by 11 o'clock they pulled down everything, cleaned up the place, and everything was back to normal. So we came back and we said, we'll try it here in Jamaica.
Night Market started in October last year with about 25 patrons passing through the event on the first night. Now, hundreds of people flock the Hillcrest Avenue venue every Tuesday. The vendors say Night Market has impacted their bottom line in a positive way.
I do have repeat customers that streamline and come search for me online and stuff like that. But since this event, it has boosted my revenue, like I said, to about 60%.
We get good business. It's very good.
Night Market honestly has just integrated us in like the local market. It's put our products on the forefront, and I think it's raising awareness on sustainability and what that means.
But getting a space at Night Market comes at a cost.
There is a fee. We charge a small fee for a tent and a table, and clients love it because they make back their money in an hour or two. And everything here is all Jamaican. There is nothing that is made outside of Jamaica here. That's one of the things that we insist on. Whatever products are being displayed here must be Jamaican made.
The event caters to entrepreneurs from various sectors, including artists, craftsmen, light manufacturers, restaurant owners, and farmers. The patrons say it's the diversity and rich culture that keeps them coming back.
This is a very special, I would say, a gel between different personalities and people from all different walks of life. So I think it's a great experience.
Well, for one, crafts, people developing their own things, handmade products, people letting others know about their business. You know, it's more than just buy and sell.
Listen, the vibe is totally different. I can tell you that. Right now we have entertainment and great food. We have great vibe.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.